So I just want to do a very quick unboxing of this backpack. I'm gonna do my best to fit it into the frame. So let me just get all the plastic off first so you can actually kind of see it. So it's this backpack over here. So this model is the ROG Ranger BP1500. So you know, there's a few little things over here. You can probably read them, hopefully. But yeah, this is the backpack. I got a pretty good deal on this guy. This is just a Republic of Gamers thing. So yeah, I just wanted a little bit of a smaller backpack that was just good for carrying around computer gear, you know, in college and that sort of stuff. So let's just get it opened up. It's a very sort of a simple backpack. You know, there's not much to it. It's a gaming backpack. You know, whatever you want to make of that. So that's cool. Got another cushion over here, so you know it kind of keeps the shape and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Asus warranty right over here. I believe it's 12 months. And this is actually the main pocket, and it's very nice that it opens up, like, you know, completely. So just so you sort of get the scale, I have over here my 15-inch laptop. Fits in very nicely. And then I also have a 10-inch tablet in a sleeve. So it's a pretty thick boy. And yeah, fits in absolutely no problem. And you still have a lot of room. You could definitely put in like a full-size mechanical keyboard, your mouse bungee, headphones. I mean, you can probably fit them, yeah, because yeah, you know, it's tight, but I'm pretty sure you could fit everything in here. On top of that, you still have another little pocket over here. So I mean, you could actually put the mouse over here, you know, maybe a little bit more protection for the pads, stuff like that. So yeah, this is the backpack. You know, it's pretty simple, pretty cool. I didn't actually read these things that I showed before, so let me just take a look at this. So yeah, it fits up to 15.6-inch laptop, plus 6 loops into webbing, sure. Oh, well, there it goes. Built-in luggage straps. Yeah, there's this thing over here, so, you know, the handle of the luggage just goes through here, and, you know, it says on there. So yeah, soft padded, water, you know, resistant, and 16 liters of capacity. So that is that. And let me just get this focused for you guys real quick. There we go, it should be focused. So yeah, that's that. Just want to do a quick unboxing. You know, if you have any questions, leave them down below. It's a pretty nice backpack. And yeah, I'm gonna link it to the actual website where you can read all about it down below. And yeah, have a nice day.